Look at this monster truck. It's kind of cool. Look at the mouth. Looks pretty cool. So you can also do this backwards. It's kind of cool. We did it again. This is how fast it goes. Goes pretty quick. I finished this today. It took me 1 day to finish it, this one. Surprisingly. 500. That's how much horsepower right there. V8. 66 inch. 645 pounds. Whoa. Then 245. And that's how much weighs. Right there, it's kind of small. That's not too much weighs. And that's how many pieces. 218. Not bad, at least. Not too bad. This is how quick it is. Ready? And this is also my first time having a monster truck. That goes that, so it looks pretty cool. No. That's quick. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. That looks pretty cool, actually. What do you think? It looks pretty cool. So yeah. And it's also not too bad as well. So